Yes, come on, some important short questions here. First one is area of triangle. What is area of triangle? Half into base into height. That is your area of triangle. If you are given altitude, then you can use this one. What is perimeter of triangle? That we know, that is sum of all three sides. Sum of all three sides. Okay, area of triangle by Heron's formula. For getting the area of triangle by Heron's formula, first of all you have to find semi-perimeter. If three sides are of A, B and C, then semi-perimeter will be A plus B plus C upon 2. Then what will be the area? This is square root of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Getting? Next one is area of an equilateral triangle of side small a is given to you. Okay, that is your under root 3 upon 4 into a square units. Okay, because side a is there, then a square. If he has given side m, what is the other question? Area of an equilateral triangle of side m unit is given to you. Then what will be? Under root 3 upon 4 into m square units. Okay. Next one is, if three sides of triangle are p units, q units and r units. Okay. Then what will be its semi-perimeter? Okay, semi-perimeter is S. P plus Q plus R upon 2. This is your semi-perimeter. Yes, come on the next. In triangle it is given that base is 12 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. This is centimeter. Okay, find its area. What is area of triangle? Half base into height. That is your half. What is base? Base is given 12. And what is height? Height is given 5. Okay, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. That is 5 6 are 30 centimeter square. This is your answer. Come on the next question. Each side of an equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. Each side of an equilateral triangle is 8 centimeter. Then what will be its area? We know that what is area of equilateral triangle? That is root 3 upon 4 into side square. That is your root 3 upon 4 into side square. Side square means side here 8. It means 8 into 8. Here we have 8 into 8. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. This is 16 under root 3 centimeter square. Getting? Now come next. Each of two equal sides of an isosceles right triangle is 10 centimeter. Okay, isosceles right triangle. Just you see one small figure. This is isosceles right triangle. These two sides of 10 centimeter each. Then what will be its area? Just like your right triangle. Area of right triangle is what? Half base into height या altitude. That is half base into altitude. 2 5s are 10. This is 50 centimeter square. Now next one is important one. Just you see. The area of an equilateral triangle is given to you this. Then side of a triangle will be what? Okay. Area of equilateral triangle is given to you. What is area of equilateral triangle? That is your area of equilateral triangle. It is given to you root 3 upon 4 into side square. Okay. What area is given to you here? 36 root 3. Root 3 upon 4 side square. Root 3 to root 3 cancel. Cross multiply. 36 into 4. And I am taking square root because here is square. I am removing square, then square root will come. See, this is your square number. So what we can say, square root of 36 is 6, the square root of 4 is 2, that is your side. This is your 12 centimeter. This is your. Yes, next question is, the area of an equivalent triangle is given to you 16 under root 3 centimeter square. You have to find its perimeter. See, it is very easy. We know that the area of equivalent triangle is what? Under root 3 upon 4 into side square. Okay. So what is area is given to you? 16 under root 3. And formula is what? Under root 3 upon 4 into side square. Okay. 16 into 4. This is the side. 4 2s are 8. This is the side. But what you have to find? See the word. Word is perimeter. Perimeter of what? Equilateral triangle. What is perimeter of equilateral triangle? That is 3 into side. Okay. 3 into side is what? 8. 8 into 3, that is 24 centimeter. Okay. Come on the next question. The area of an equilateral triangle is given to you is 81 root 3 centimeter square. Then what will be the height of the triangle? Okay, first of all you have to find its side accordingly, like we got it here. That is 81 root 3 is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square. Root 3 to root 3 cut. Then 81 into 4, that is equal to side. What is square root of 81 is 9. That is 2. This is your side. Side will be 18 centimeter. But what you have to find out? You have to find the height of the triangle. What is area of triangle is? Area is given to you. Okay. Side is given to you. You have to find its height. Area is equal to half base into height. One side is base and height you have to find out. 2 9s are 18. Then what will be h? 81 under root 3 upon 9. Then what will come? 9 9s are 81. 9 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Come on the last question. Good question is. Next question is here. The base of right triangle is given to you 12 centimeter. See. Base is given to you 12 centimeter. Hypotenuse is given to you 13 centimeter. And you have to find the area of this right triangle. How to get area of right triangle? For area of right triangle, what we want? We want its altitude, or we can say its height. Height, how can we get this height? Height, this is your perpendicular. And by Pythagoras formula, you can get perpendicular. What is Pythagoras formula? Pythagoras formula is h square is equal to b square plus p square. Come on. H square is equal to b square plus p square. H, and we have to find out p square. P square is what? H square minus b square. What is h? That is 13 square. What is b? It is 12 square. Then this is square root of 169 minus 144. This is 25. That is 5 centimeter. Okay, then what will be its area? Now we got 5 centimeter here. Okay. What is area of triangle? Half base into height. Okay. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 6 5s are 30 centimeter square. Yes. Now the next question is, the sides of a triangle are in ratio 5:12:13 and perimeter is given to you 150. Then what will be its area? Okay, it can come in short also. It can come in 1 mark also. It can come in 2 marks also. Okay, in short, how can we do it? Just you see, because we have given that sides in ratio, then what will be its actual sides? Okay, see here. This will be 5x, 12x and 13x. These are the actual sides of it. So 5x plus 12x plus 13x. And what do you mean by the sum of side? Sum of side means perimeter. Sum of side means perimeter. What is perimeter? 150 is given to you. 150. Okay. Then 13. This is 25. 12, 35. 25 and 5 is 30. 150 upon 30. This is 5. Then sides will be what? 5 5s are 25, 12 5s are 60 and 13 5s are 65. I can say A, I can say B and I can say C. And what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter means perimeter upon 2, that is 75. Okay, now see. We have to find area of triangle. What is area of triangle? That is under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, S is given to you 75. Okay, then 75 minus 25, that is 50. 75 minus 60, that is 15. 75 minus 65, that is 10. Okay, it is very clear. Okay, now you see. 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75. This is for 75. Okay, now for 15, 50 we have 2 to 50 I want. What is 2 5s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. Okay, now 15 prime factors of 15, that is 3 into 5. Prime factors of 10, 2 into 5. Now we have to release its square root. Now let us check how many times 2? 1. 2 times. If I release the square root, then only one time 2 will come. 1 time 2. How many times 3? 1, 2. 2 times 3. If I release it like this. How many times 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5. If I release 6 times 5, then 3 times 5 will come. 3 times 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 3s are. Okay. What is 125 3s are? 125 3s are 375. And 375 2s are. That is 750 centimeter square. This is your answer.